Good day everybody, my name is Niwakit, and in today's lesson we are going to talk about kinetic molecular theory. So, kinetic molecular theory is a scientific theory that explains the behavior of matter at a molecular level. And this theory is based on the assumption that matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. Sorry for that. According to the kinetic molecular theory, there are three main stages or states of matter. So namely, we have solid state, we have liquid state, and gaseous state, and these states are determined by the arrangement, motion, and the energy of the molecule that make up a substance. So today we are going to use water molecule as an example. So here is our water molecule. So when water molecule is a solid, the particles are closer together and have a stronger intermolecular forces. So the particles will vibrate due to the lack of kinetic energy to overcome the intermolecular forces. So that will make the solid to have a defined shape and a defined volume. So next we are going to go to our liquid, our water molecule at the liquid state. So in the liquid state, particles are pegged slightly to each other, but they flow and pass each other, but they lack enough energy to overcome the intermolecular forces, and this causes the liquid to have a defined shape. So we will move to our phase changes. So when we add heat to our particles will become excited and collide, and they will absorb heat, so they gain more energy to overcome the inter and intermolecular forces. So when we add heat to our water molecule, the particles will become excited and collide with each other, and they will gain more energy to overcome the inter and intramolecular forces. So the particles will speed up until they reach the maximum level of temperature required for a certain stage to change to another state. So when we add pressure to our experiment, the temperature will rise so as the pressure, but the volume of the particles will decrease.